Hey y'all! So, I've wanted to be a YouTuber for a really long time now, and I'm finally going to launch my own channel. So I've dedicated some space in my house to do the filming, but this space is also my office, my DIY craft area, my dog's feeding area, so I needed to get creative with storage and organization. So I'm going to turn this very boring wall behind me into an area that will help with both of those and also make it a more interesting backdrop for my videos. Instead of waiting until after I had the project done, I wanted to bring you along for the before, during, and afters as part of my YouTube variety channel. So keep watching. Alright y'all, so that was a lot of progress for one day. I do have more plans for this area. I only ordered enough of the chalkboard contact paper to do one side because I wasn't sure if I would like it or the raw Luan better. I do like this side better, so I have to order another roll of that to finish the other side. And then I'm also going to paint the pegboard behind me. Not sure on color, so if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments below. And then I also plan to frame the whole thing out, so I have to select what material I want to use as the frame first. So those things still have to be completed, but we made a lot of headway. Now, why I chose to do the contact paper behind the glass boards is because I do live in a house that is more rustic as far as decor goes. I used to have these glass boards just by themselves, and it was in a different house and it was a very modern feel, and since that isn't the feel of my house, I wanted to make them a little less modern looking, and so I put the dark behind it, and then also once it gets framed out it'll help with that. But I like how easily they clean off. I didn't want just a regular chalkboard because of the chalk dust and just the cleanliness of it. So if you guys have any other questions about this project, just let me know. Otherwise, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see the updates. Bye y'all!